Hey Gandhi, mind if I ask you a somewhat personal and possibly pointless question?
Was good.
What should I be chasing in life? Should I keep on searching for knowledge, looking for a way to earn more money, or find a pretty young thing and start a family? What is the big picture?
I think it just depends on what you want from life. You feel me? So, what is it you want?
What I want? I want to live a life with purpose and meaning. I'd like to have the assurance of knowing I'm on the right track. I like to know the big picture, the real big picture.
I sort of feel like you're overthinking it, just a little, Albert.
Overthinking it. I think it's one of the most important things a human can think about. You feeling okay?
Oh yeah, I am fine, just haven't ate in a few days. I'm okay. Anyway, don't think about those sort of things, it's way too stressful.
Stressful? Wait, so you have thought about it?
What really is thought if you think about it?
Yes or no, you malnourished Indian?
Well yes, I suppose I've thought about it. Once, maybe twice.
So tell me, please, what's your answer? I need to know.
Well, you see.
What's the matter?
Nothing. It's just I was.
You were what?
Well, I was kind of hoping to eventually ask you the same question.
Damn you, Gandhi, for the love of God. Damn you.